Welcome back. Today is day 14 of our big unit on writing poetry. And today we're going to be talking about using comparisons to show our feelings. Okay, one way to show big feelings, we've talked about this, is to use showing words and not telling words. So instead of saying I'm mad, maybe you would say something like, what?
Ooh, I got it.
Mm-hmm. Or I was so happy I jumped up and down like popcorn. Okay, so that's a showing one. Okay, so we've been talking about how poems and poets, instead of saying exactly how they feel, they show it. Well, another way is to actually use something called comparisons. Okay, so I want to show you another way to let your readers know your feelings by using comparisons. Okay. Okay, sure.
One example of a comparison is the school was like a circus, but
because it was wild with animals
that
like kids.
they actually meant that it was wild and loud.
Okay.
So you can use comparisons like that.
Yeah. Put your skirt down here.
And you can say I was an elephant. I was loud coming to school.
I was loud like an elephant. That's a good comparison. So what we do when we compare to show our feelings, we compare our feelings to something else in the world around us that reminds you of that feeling. So what reminds you of happy? What reminds you of sad? What reminds you of being angry? Something in the world. So we're going to look at this poem by Zoe Ryder White. And she writes a poem about having a heart feeling very full and happy. But instead of saying, I'm so happy, she uses comparisons to show that. Listen, and then I'm going to ask you what you think. I need you to stop. Nope. Here we go. Nope, you're listening to the lesson. Here's the poem. Thank you. Here we go.
Here's the poem.
We're going to scoot out a little bit. Okay. So, Inside My Heart by Zoe Ryder White. Inside my heart lives 1 birthday party, 2 jazz bands, 3 wrestling puppies, 4 dancing birds, 5 laughing babies, 6 blasting spaceships, 7 lucky fireflies, and a sky full of stars. So she's comparing her heart being so happy and full to other things in the world that remind her of being happy. When you look at puppies wrestling and playing, doesn't that make you happy?
Yeah.
And jazz bands with all the horns, I mean, it's just exciting, isn't it? A birthday party, of course, brings us happiness. Okay? Now she also is using a pattern like we talked about yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, doesn't she? She's kind of doing everything. So now we're going to give that a try, and we're going to use Zoe Ryder White's poem to kind of get us started. I want you to imagine right now quietly, maybe you can close your eyes. Think of a time when you were sad. And instead of saying I was sad in our poem, we're going to compare it to something in the world that reminds you of sadness. And we'll start our poem like this. Inside my heart lives 1
empty lunchbox.
Hold on. Whoa. Let's give everybody a time to think. I want you just to think. Come up with 2 things that when you think about it, it reminds you of being sad in the world. Okay. Gina, okay, let's say our poem. Inside my heart lives 1
Grandma dying.
Grandma dying. 2
Empty lunchbox.
That was not yours, that was Eliana's.
Okay,
2
no, 2 was mine.
Oh, you have another one? 2
empty coins.
Okay. 3 thank you.
No house.
3 empty houses.
Empty houses.
Okay. 4
Mama left.
Mama's leaving. 5 rainy skies.
We can't hear you, so we can hear you now. Come over to our house.
Those people out
Can't
there,
hear you.
those kids out there, I
We
bet
can't
they have
hear
way
you.
better ideas than us, right?
Oh, I got one.
So you see what you get the point.
Live away from family.
6 families living away.
6 families. 7 moving to a different state.
Yeah.
I did not want to move to Ohio.
And okay, so let's give it a try a different way. Now I want you to think about what time you've been angry. Something you do super mad. Now, when we use a comparison, we compare it to something else in the world that reminds you of anger. So, something else around you in the world that looks to be angry. I'm going to give you time. I want you to come up with 2 things.
Maybe 3 this time.
Sure. Ready? You got to think of it though. I'm calling on you. Think of something. At home, you think of something too, because this could be your poem. Okay, using comparison. Something in the world that reminds you of being angry or mad. Well, it looks like you're ready because you're giggling. Go ahead, Eliana. Inside my heart lives one.
Gina's teeth.
They remind you of being angry.
One biting piranha.
One biting piranha. 2. You have another idea? Okay.
2. Drina taking away my toys.
2 sisters taking away toys. 3.
I got 3.
What reminds you of something angry
Hey, I got 3.
in the world?
Eliana hitting me every day. What?
Okay. 3. Please stop. 3 hitting siblings. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna come up with
I
one.
need another one.
4. Volcanoes bursting.
I have another one.
5. Thunder.
And lightning.
Strikes. Okay. Okay, go ahead. 6.
Sun burning us down. Sun burning us
Okay.
down.
6 burning suns. Does that remind you of being angry?
I don't like that.
Okay.
Sun hurts.
All right. That's really good. You guys did a great
I don't
job.
like when it's warm.
I love how you're comparing your feelings to other things in the world that remind you of that feeling. That's awesome. You're really specific in detail, aren't you? 6. Shooting volcanoes.
7.
7. Empty houses, right?
No.
Okay, so now
7.
our lesson's done. So now, poets, you're going to go off
Aww.
and you can start a brand new poem. And you're going to try to use a comparison. Look to the people there. Look to the kids. You're going to try to use a comparison of your feelings and compare your feeling to something else in the world that reminds you of that feeling. And you
I
can
bring food.
stop. You can use this. I'm going to have my girls do the same thing. I'm going to have them write down on their paper. Inside my heart lives 1, 2, 3, all the way down. They can do angry, surprised, happy, sad, whatever you'd like to do. Give that a try. And then you can move on to something else. Okay? So awesome job using comparisons to show your feelings. Good luck today. Get creative.
Good luck.
Have fun. And we'll see you back next time.
Bye. Bye.